Today we're going to be talking about the SH sound. So the sound, anytime you see the letters S and H together, is shh. Try it with me. Shh. So the action for SH is like you're holding a razor and you take it down each cheek like you're shaving, like Sheriff Shad. Shh. Shh. To get some ideas for our brainstorm today, we are going to read the book, Shelley's Shell Shop. So when you hear me read a word with the SH sound, shh, you can either do the action or give me a thumbs up. Shelley Shrek had a shell shop. Her shop was next to lots of ships. You'll notice on this page, all of the words that have SH in them are at the beginning of the word. Shane Shrek liked shells. He rushed to Shelley's shell shop to shop for shells. He had lots of cash. When Shane got to the shell shop, it was shut. A note said, "Gone fishing." Shelley had gone on a big ship to fish for shrimp. The word fish has the SH sound at the end. Shane was not happy. He was mad that Shelley had shut her shell shop to go fishing. Shane dashed to the next shell shop. It was Trish's shell shed, but Trish's shells were not as good as Shelley's shells. Oh, it's like a tongue twister. These shells are in bad shape, Shane said to Trish. She was crushed by what Shane said. My shells are not trash, said Trish. I wish you would take your cash and get out of my shell shop. Shane dashed from Trish's shell shed. He went to Stan's fish shop. He spent his cash on fresh fish and shrimp. All right, so let's think about some of the words from our story. Shell. Shed. Fish. It's at the end. Trash. Oops. Shop. Cash. So we see this letter combination at the beginning and end of lots of words. So what I would like to challenge you to do is whenever you are reading an S and an H together in a book, you need to sound it out as one sound. All right, so my sentence today will be, she wanted shells that were blush colored. Period. Remember to always include a capital at the beginning of your sentence and a period at the end. Or if you would like, you can put an exclamation mark, or you could ask a question like, where are the fish? Question mark. Don't forget to underline or highlight your SH sound in your sentences.